Match the vocabulary words with their correct definitions. Column A, 1. Mental set, 2. Concept, 3. Metacognition, 4. Creativity, 5. Image. Column B, A. Habitual strategy or pattern of problem solving. B. The capacity to use information and or abilities in new and original ways. C. Label for a class or objects or events that have at least one attribute in common. D. Visual mental representation of an event or object. E. Awareness of one's own cognitive processes. The most primitive units of thought are A. Images, B. Words, C. Designs. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. In blank, thoughts flow freely with no particular plan. Convergent thinking, heuristics, divergent thinking, algorithms. Which of the following is not a unit of thought? A. Algorithm, B. Image, C. Prototype. Maria would like to cut coupons out of the newspaper, but she cannot find her scissors. What is keeping her from using her pocket knife as another option? A. Functional fixedness, B. Rigidity, C. Both of these are correct here. Which of the following is not a characteristic of creativity? A. Mental set, B. Recombination, C. Flexibility.